Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How are you doing, guys? Today is all about 2-in-1 recipe. That's lemon oil, how to make lemon oil at home with the recipe you have, and how to lose your fat tummy. I know that's what everyone is like to hear, because most people are struggling to lose weight, but it's not something we should fight. We should just calm down and look around in the house and get some things that will make you even share some fat. So these are three ingredients that you're going to use to have a flat tummy. So let's get onto it and see how it is made. Thank you. Just for So this is our end product of lemon oil. You sieve it out to take out the oil from the lemon zest. Lemon essential oil has a strong purifying citrus scent that revitalized and uplifting. It's a powerful antioxidant, and some of the benefits for it are reduce anxiety and depression, ease morning sickness, relieve pain, treat acne and heal wounds. It also improves skin care and also improves cold symptoms. The benefits are great. More beauty benefits of lemon oil. It's a natural deodorant, boosts immune system, gives strong, healthy, shiny hair. So guys, these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our flat tummy. This is the cucumber, ginger, lemon, garlic, and 4 cups of water. So let's get started and see the outcome of it. Okay guys, so this is the back of a pineapple. I always add it to my flat tummy recipe. So you might not like it, you might like it, but you also give it a pineapple flavor. That is why I always add the pineapple peel. So sometimes I add it, sometimes I don't add, but I like adding it to bring out the flavor, pineapple flavor. So you put in the water. Next, put in the pineapple peel. You leave it for like 10 minutes. After boiling for like 10 minutes, you put in your cucumber. Add your lemon. Your garlic. Ginger. Then you cover it. So this is the flat tummy drink is very good. It's healthy. What you just have to do is avoid eating junk food if you want to see the best results. Eat greens, vegetables, ready now. Drink a lot of water, at least 8 glasses of water in a day. Then lower down your sodium intake. Repeat this drink for 6 days or more. Then you see the changes for yourself. Just try it at home and see what guys. So this is the end product of our flat tummy drink. So try it at home and see the outcome is going to work for you because it's working for me. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, SisiMoo's Foodies and SisiMooTv, and give us thumbs up and try it at home and let me know what you think about it because it's really working. If you want your tummy to be flat and you want to shed some weight, so this drink is good for you. You can add some honey to it to make it a bit sweet. It depends on how you want it. So till next time, take care, stay blessed, God bless, bye.